I'll give you a little inside look at our office. It has really become my mission in life now. And it was very interesting. I found this artist while I was walking down this art district in Montreal, Canada. And he's doing these really cool Snoopy pieces, and you could put any neon word on the art. And so I actually commissioned him to do this piece for me and take my entire life from magazines and put it on here, from when I was born in Cleveland, Ohio, to working here in real estate and everything in between. I made this piece really my life mission, right? If you live in the coastal Southern California, $1 million doesn't get you much anymore. What kind of house can you get on coastal California for $1 million? Not much. I made it my mission to figure out how can I make more millionaires, whether there's someone working here in the office and how to help them grow their income so they can actually afford one of these homes, or it's our customers who I want to tap into their equity and sell it for a lot of money and help them make some extra millions. So it's been my life's mission since I've made this piece, and we're really excited to have it here at our office as that constant reminder of who we're trying to help in this business.